Salty.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, just search Eric Kim.
Cool.
I'm on YouTube.
I'm super into YouTube. I
Bro,
love YouTube videos.
yeah, dude, YouTube's the shit. All right,
Yeah.
so, man, I was so salty because you know my deadlift before I left.
Yeah.
4 plates and 25.
Oh my god.
455, bro.
That's a lot. I'm not a very. I'm a little scared to deadlift.
Nah,
I'm a little
don't. Okay,
nervous.
the secret. Once the gym opens up again,
Yeah.
very simple. No straps, no belt, all that stuff's stupid. It's just stupid marketing.
Yeah.
When you're doing a max deadlift, do a mixed grip, so one
Yeah.
hand over, one hand over,
Yeah, I do that.
and do sumo.
Sumo. Yeah, 'cause
Sumo,
I do.
Like this. That's it.
Really? Yeah. Yeah, 'cause I don't know. I'm too scared. Like I don't know. My
Yeah.
parents always.
No,
like,
no, no.
tell me-
And then everyone who uses the belts, essentially, it's a big marketing scam.
Yeah. I agree.
Well, want to check this out real quick?
Yeah. There you go.
Yo, check this out. This is what I've been working on. I don't know if I could do it.
Well, holy.
Oh,
Dude, that's sick.
pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. So how did you get the muscle up? That's what I'm trying to work on.
Can you do it?
Not really.
Bro, I think you can do it. Here, I'll show
I
you.
think I'm pretty tired though. 'Cause
No, you can do
trying
it.
to-
Here, I'll show you. The
Okay.
very basic stuff. So come here,
Yeah. Stand on it.
stand on it. Just jump up and get into the muscle up position. And get up, push up. Now lean forward like a motherfucker, and do dips.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you do that? All right. Yeah, you can do it. All right, get down. All right, you're strong enough. Because you definitely have the physical strength for it. Okay, now try.
I think it's just like the technique.
No. So I'll show you. You could probably already do it. I'll teach you. So then the next thing, do you know how to do the swing?
Yeah, it's like, and then.
Okay.
isn't
So
it
like what you're saying,
you-
suicide grip.
suicide?
You don't use your thumbs like this, like this.
Oh, okay.
So try this real quick. So essentially, wait. Can you swing and then just try to jump like a kid? Like, can you do that? So just try to get to me. Grab suicide grip, and just try to jump to me. Okay, cool. All right. Now you see that momentum you had?
Yeah.
Do that and try to do a muscle up. And the thing too, when you do a muscle up, it's not muscle up, it's a muscle forward. You're just trying to get yourself into that position.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because you're turning out these like candy. You want to give it a try?
Let's see.
So just give it a quick thing, and then just try to get up and muscle forward. I think we should call it muscle forward.
Yeah.
All right. So just give it a quick swing and then try to get up. Swing and up. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
Like it's just like that part. Like
No, you can do it. You can do it. Just or try to do a running start. Yeah. Do it. Up. It's easy. All right. Hold. Push up. How's it feel?
This is good,
Do you feel like king of the world, bro?
Yeah. I never.
Yeah, dude. Easy. Come on, man.
Appreciate
No,
it.
because the thing is, ring. I can't do the ring yet.
Really?
Ring is actually much harder than the.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That was so easy for you, man.
Yeah, I just gotta make sure I don't. How did you get like not just one arm? Cause I don't want to just like.
Oh.
Was that just come with like
I think.
practice?
Well, I think the thing is, because you definitely have the muscular strength for it.
Yeah.
I think just practice. Well, a lot of it is they call it what, like the motor neural pathways. It's kind of like practicing movement.
Mm-hmm.
I think the big thing is just the swing. So
Yeah.
let me do it again real quick. Just watch me
Yeah.
real quick. So.
Well, that's awesome. The hand.
Yeah.
Have you been getting into calisthenics?
So it's so funny, right? I always thought like
Wait, let me.
I was really never into calisthenics because I'm like, yeah, lifting weights is more manly. Because I was more into powerlifting and shit.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But then ever since lockdown, I'm like, motherfuckers, right? Like, because I was actually working towards a 500-pound deadlift, and the lockdown happened, so I fuck, right?
Yeah.
And my buddy told me about this park, right? And I just started doing it.
Yeah.
And then I'm like kind of bored because I'm doing a bunch of chin-ups. I'm like, what's like the ultimate flex I could do? And then people, oh, can you do a muscle up, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm like, can I?
Uh-huh.
And I just tried it a few times. I'm
got
like, oh
it?
shit, yeah.
Really?
I tried it. I got it on the first day.
Yeah, that's incredible.
But then the thing is, like, you watch all these YouTube tutorials, and it's like, it's a little bit confusing.
yeah,
truth
that's
be told.
insane.
But yeah, I think the big thing was, it's more of a muscle forward. So let me try it real quick. So yeah, essentially I just been doing it now just cause like I get bored at home and
Yeah.
more fun to work out than just like watch Netflix, right?
Yeah.
So trying to swing forward. And then I've been practicing my planche.
Yeah. That's great.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And then I'm trying to work towards a strict muscle up.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I
no
think,
swing?
I think the secret is, I mean, I can't do it yet, but I think what it is you're trying to get into this position and lean forward and push yourself up.
Yeah.
All right, you want to try it real quick?
Yeah, let me try again.
Yeah, give it a go.
I think I could actually do much better if I hadn't done like a whole chest workout. 'Cause I'm a little sore, but
I think you do it. Easy. Up. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, bro. Well, hold it. Yo, good.
Thank
Yo,
you,
lift
man.
off. Yeah.
That
Did
was
you feel that? Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, that was perfect.
I
Yeah.
think it was holding me back because I was doing under.
Yeah. It's a suicide grip,
Yeah,
man.
bro.
They even say with bench press, if you want to get a bigger bench press,
Yeah.
my friend, you know Jamal, the guy at the gym,
I for sure know him.
the African American guy with the big hair.
Of course. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He
Is
taught
he
me.
tall? Is he tall?
Not
No.
really. Kind of.
Oh no, I
you know
know.
Jamal,
He
right?
works there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Yeah.
I love him.
Oh, you know, yeah.
And he
yeah.
has, sometimes he pulls it back. Yeah.
So me and Jamal are homeboys, right?
No way. Yeah, yeah. I love him.
And he taught me this suicide
He
grip.
made so much gains. Like dude, like I went like 3 years ago.
Oh, for real?
Now, like it's huge, massive.
Yo, how do you think he got the gains? Wait. So you know what he used to look like?
Yeah.
What did Jamal used to look like?
Like so much, like I don't know. He just got massive in like 3 years. But of course, I don't know. I was younger back then, and I was such a skinny kid. I feel like you and I are probably.
No, you're looking really good.